Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. To get started, let's open up Settings. From here, choose Storage, and you should see your SD card from here. So you want to tap on it, it will open up the storage itself, and from here tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to Format. Tap on it, it'll give you a message that performing this will remove everything that is on the card, and if there's anything that you'd like to keep, well, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on the Format SD card, and let's wait. Now this is a fairly quick process, it only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's done, as it is right now, click on Done, and you're finished and ready to go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.